damn it! Stop me on these goddamn piece of shit! Thank you. I don't do without.
Well, we should, like, become YouTube sensations. Like, subscribe.
What? I don't think mumble jumble. Where's the Batty? Where's the Batty? Come here, Batty. Why are you away from me, Batty? Come back, Batty. No! Don't fly away! Come back to me! No! I feel rejected. Shut up! I fucking hate that show. I fucking hate In the Night Garden. That is the worst show in the history of inventions. Of
What is it like meant to be?
history of TV shows. Pushing this. You hit me with a guitar!
No, your dad has a gun in the head with a guitar. If you haven't seen Puss in Boots, go see it. It's the best show out. I bet you my voice